do I have a special one for you today. Look at these little steaks right here, y'all. These here come from Seals Family Farm up there in Mount Hermon, Louisiana. Y'all, these here are 800-pound grass-fed cows or calves that they just had butchered the other day. We sell these little steaks here at our Southern Boys store also. So let me open it up, show y'all how fresh this is. Look at this little steak right here, y'all. And this is an 8-ounce little steak right here. Ooh, look at that right there, y'all. Look at that fine cut of meat right there. Let's get the other one opened up. Let me get that set out of the way. Let's get the other one opened up. Take a look at it. Look at this little steak right here, y'all. Man, that's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Check out them beautiful little steaks right there, John. Show it to them. Look how pretty that is right there. All right, y'all, now we're going to get them seasoned up. We're going to just hit the bottom of that pan with a little bit of Dale's right there. And then we're going to come back with a little Worcestershire sauce right here. Dump that little Worcestershire sauce in there. And we're just going to kind of move them steaks around in it like that. Just kind of getting them all mixed in there. Look at that. Look at that. Getting them all down in there like that. Then we're going to come back, y'all. You know I love that pepper. We're going to brush the top of it with that pepper like that. And now we're going to come right back, y'all. We're just going to hit it with a little bit of that Southern Boys love. We're going to season up both sides of them the same way. All right, y'all, we're cooking on a little Loco 26-inch. John, one of the things I really like about this Loco right here is I can turn it on, set the fire. I can set these temperatures at 350 degrees, and my cooked surface will remain at 350 degrees. Got that butter on there right now, starting to melt down. Y'all, and then we're going to go in there, we're going to melt down a little bacon up. A little bacon flavor. Nothing wrong with that. So we're gonna add a little bacon up in there to cook them steaks on, y'all. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and drop steak on there. Oh man, get them up close to that, John. Look at that. Man, don't that look good right there? Now y'all know Mama T is gonna want hers well done, and I like mine around medium to medium well. All right, John, look how pretty them are. Let's go ahead and give them their first flip. That's Mama T's right there. Now she likes hers well done. I like mine kind of medium well. So we're gonna get mine flipped over. Check that out. Y'all see this little juice right here, the Dale's and Worcester sauce with that seasoning in it. What we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna dump that right on top of the steak like that. 98, 105, 103. All right, John, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut this fire down. I'm gonna bring this down to just under 300 on both of them. We're gonna slow that heat down. That's what I like, how I can control that surface temperature. So I know I just dropped it below 300. Now we're gonna slow cook them steaks the rest of the way. All right, John, I'm hitting around 140 right now, 145. We're gonna go ahead and take that steak off right there. That's mine. Mama T's still rolling here. Flip it over. Mama T likes hers on well done. So we're gonna, let's see what we look like right here, y'all. Come check this steak out. What do you think, John? Give it a little cut right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Huh? That's it. Man, look at the juice in it. Look at the juice coming out of it. Oh man, that's it there, y'all. For me, that right there, that's cooked. That's cooked to perfection right there, y'all. You know, I always like that outside piece right there. Yeah, I'm telling you right now, that's awesome stuff right there. All right, John, we hitting 162, 163. Mama T's is ready. Let's go ahead and get it off of there. Shut down that Loco. Y'all check this out. Look at Mama T's little steak right here. Let's give this well done steak a little cut right here, y'all. Give it a little run. Oh man, look at that. Any of y'all like them well done steaks? Look at that. Huh? That's beautiful right there, y'all. Ooh, Mama T's gonna love that right there, y'all. Hey, Mama T, try that steak. See what Mama T thinks about that steak. Huh?
Hot. It's
hot.
Good.
Is it good? The main thing is it good.
It's good.
Dip it down in that juice right there, Mama T. Well, I'm telling y'all, these steaks are good. Grass fed,
They are
tender,
good.
tender, super tender.
And hot.
And hot. Go ahead, bite it, Mama T. Oh, just don't get no better than that, y'all. Awesome stuff.